All right, guys. So New York session just started now, and let's give it a minute to let people join. Note that we've been on a trade since yesterday afternoon, so hopefully that trade will continue running today. Hopefully, honestly. Um, so we are going to see what NASDAQ wants to do. All right, let's invite people so other people can join. Today is day 7 that we've been trading live. So, and we will potentially now, let's see what NASDAQ wants to do. So it's a New York session already. The market is now opened, and hopefully NASDAQ is going to continue the buy momentum to the upside and all. As of right now, I'm still in the trade of yesterday. So let me show you that trade. Actually, I'm going to show you the trade itself. Yeah, this is like this one. Yeah. So basically, this is the trade we've been on since yesterday. It has been dancing around, making a $100 pullback and etc. But I do believe that if this session NASDAQ is able to continue pushing up, then we potentially would be making, we'll be making the profit. But let's see how it goes. The New York opened already. It's not looking good right now. It's pulling back a lot into the entry, but I'm just gonna hold on and see what it does. If hopefully the level is gonna hold, and then we can potentially take a profit. All right, let's hold on and see. The thing is that we've been on this trade since yesterday, and it was running in good profit. At the point, it was making almost $150 profits, but I didn't close. I just let it keep running because I believe that if I hold this single trade, the trade itself can actually, go to take profit level and eat the take profit. I'm just surprised right now to see that NASDAQ is actually pulling down into the way down into the demand zone, and it's not unexpected, but honestly, it's I would rather love to see like NASDAQ, pulling up instead of just going back into that demand zone, because if NASDAQ should be going back down into that level, it means they want to go for the previous day low. And if they should go for previous day low, that's exactly where our stop loss is. And if that's exactly what NASDAQ wants to do, it's not looking good for us, because that means that they might potentially take us out. And then now we have to look for another entry, and it's not what we want. So, but I'm not going to do anything on the trade. I'm going to leave it the way it is. So let's take a look at S&P 500 just to have an idea. On the other hand, S&P 500 is trading below the Asian low. So this type of information is very, when NASDAQ is doing this way, it's usually signifies that, something significant is about to happen. So it's very likely that, oh my God, oh my days, we're already in drawdown already. I've been holding this trade since yesterday. I was seeing profits. I was seeing a profit of $150 as at today. I didn't close. And then now he's going straight into stop loss. Like, anyway, it is what it is. I mean, if the trade should, stop us out, we just wait for another setup, and then we would potentially re-enter. Oh, it's not looking good right now because obviously, oh my days. What? Anyway, let's take a look at the setup again. So what is happening now is that since NASDAQ during the London session, NASDAQ broke the Asian low, then went back, broke the Asian high around 1 p.m. today, and I came back into the 50%, broke the Asian high again. Now see what happened. They broke the Asian low again. So hopefully they are just retesting this level, and if they're only retesting this level, it will be good for us, because then they can potentially just start pulling back from here. But then if that doesn't happen, then they are actually going for the previous day low. And if NASDAQ should be going for the previous day low, oh boy, that means that we're going to take a stop loss today, because if they should go for the previous day low, it's going to hit our stop loss, and before it actually go to the take profit level. Sometimes NASDAQ moves this way. Honestly, it's a very surprising move that NASDAQ does sometimes, but it is what it is. The market is the market, so our own is to potentially try and to always try and get the best trade outcome. But let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Alrighty, NASDAQ. What are we having today? NASDAQ, please give us some profits today. Like, let's have profits. Don't do what you're doing, man. Like, I was expecting that if the market should open and NASDAQ start buying up, like, we're going to pass the challenge of phase one, like, today. It's still looking more like it, but unlike it. But let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's have a look. See. Let's have a look. See. Honestly, NASDAQ could just potentially go for the previous day low. If NASDAQ go for the previous day low, we are cooked. Like, we are cooked. What? S&P 500 is not looking good, so NASDAQ is potentially going to stop us out very soon, because S&P 500 is already selling like crazily. So it's only a matter of time before NASDAQ starts doing the same in the same direction. Oh man, I wasn't expecting that actually to happen. I wasn't expecting that at all. So what could happen now is, let's wait for the first 15 minutes to close. So after the first 15 minutes of the market open, then we would potentially make a decision. If by then it does not stop us out actually, because it's not looking the best right now. Oh man. Oh my days, oh my days. We have already made about $170, which if I had closed something, we would have been in some profit by now anyway, but oh my days, it's approaching our stop loss, man. So I'm thinking that if this level is going to hold, then that's why I'm not closing yet. I still have the opportunity to close right now, but I'm not closing because I'm thinking that this level potentially might hold. But if this level doesn't hold, then NASDAQ's gonna just take the previous day low, and if it takes the previous day low, then almost nothing that we can actually do again. We have to hold on until another day, and okay, it is what it is. We would be looking for a new trade setup. So 6 minutes to the close of the current candle, the current 15-minute candle. There's 6 minutes for the closure. Let me take a look what's happening. You see, we're actually floating in profit, we're floating in loss, profit, loss, profit, loss, like, I just hope that the NASDAQ can do, can just go one direction, and let's give us some profit today, honestly, to be the best thing that could happen to us. Yeah, to be the best thing that can happen to us today. NASDAQ giving us a good profit today, honestly. It's going to set the momentum of, it's going to, oh, okay. We seem to be having rejection right now from buyers. We're having like a big rejection, and honestly, if the rejection should continue, we definitely might be going to our take profit level. Oh, NASDAQ just recovered back a lot of the pullback just now. Man, I'll be so happy if NASDAQ should give us take profits today, man. Like, it's going to be so amazing. So it seems like NASDAQ is recovering back or the move. Is that what is happening, or is it giving us an opportunity to just close and take some profits? Because honestly, it's not looking good, but let's see. So as I was expecting, if this level really holds, this level right here, if it holds, it means that buyers are actually in this level, and we can see, slowly NASDAQ can continue to go to the, to the upside again. And hopefully that's what will happen in this session, and then we can actually take the trade to the upside. Oh, that would be so cool, man. If that happens, that would be so cool, because we have been on this trade since yesterday, about 6 p.m. and I've been holding the trade. I decided not to close, even though it had given me profit, but I just decided not to close, right? And I hope that we get to see a really good opportunity today to make new money, and that would be really nice. Okay, let's go NASDAQ. Let's go NASDAQ. So we're already 10 minutes into the opening. Let's see what will happen in the next 5 minutes, depending on how the candle closes. If the candle closes as a bearish rejection candle, it means that more buyers are actually, participating from that level, and we can keep holding the trade. And okay, I can see that we are seeing buyers participation. Let me switch to the trading view. So if you see the trading view right now, we are seeing more and more buyer participation on this level, and it's very likely that we're going to see buyers just pushing the price upward from here. If from here right now we can see NASDAQ can break out of the Asian range again, then it shows that buyers are interested more and more in taking this trade actually to the upside. So it's all a matter of just we'll keep holding the trade, and then eventually we're going to potentially actually eat our take profit. So wow, it's looking good now, unlike the opening. I was almost scared during the opening, what's happening, but now though, let's see. Hopefully we can continue this momentum, and if this momentum should continue, then NASDAQ can go and eat our take profits, and we can call it a day. Okay, let's see. There is 3 more minutes for the first 15 minutes candle to close, and it's looking good. Right now it's looking good. Let me show you. We're in some profits. We're making about $119 right now. I will not close, because I just have to hold on, so I'm gonna hold on the trade and leave it running. The target is the target for today. The target is not too much. It's something that NASDAQ can actually do, 230 points. And if NASDAQ decided to make another 100 point movement now from where we are going to pass the phase 1 automatically. So I'm very optimistic right now that we might potentially pass the challenge today. Now I'm optimistic. I'm more optimistic than before that we can actually pass the challenge today. We can pass phase 1. If we pass phase 1 today, oh man, potentially we can even pass phase 2 like by Friday. And let's wait. All right. Yeah, what do we have here? 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 All right, it's NASDAQ. 2 more minutes to the first 15 minutes candle, and then we would be potentially waiting. All righty. Let's see. Let's see. Let's switch to the trading view so we can see the chart itself. So this is the chart itself. This is where we are on the trade. So let me drag this a little bit here. Oh, we're getting more push from NASDAQ now. We're getting more push from NASDAQ. We're getting more push from NASDAQ. So if we can take out the high of London session, this is the highest point that price got to during the London period. Anyway, yeah, more or less. But if this session right now that we just started, if NASDAQ can just potentially break out, then we'll see a pullback, then we'll see a continuation. Bro, it's gonna be so amazing. Like NASDAQ is just gonna blast through all those zones and then give us a profit. Okay. Whoa, my God. Did you see how much money we're making right now? Let me switch to the MT5. Right now we're making about $140, and the account balance, if you check on the left, is already at 5,300, meaning that if we just see a little bit more push now, we're going to automatically pass the challenge like immediately. If we just see $100 more, almost $70 more save, and then we're going to pass the challenge already. Whoa, Looks like we're passing the challenge today, man. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. Like we only need $50 right now to pass the challenge, and it's looking good, man. This is looking good. It's looking good. Oh, whoa, we're about to pass. We're about to pass the challenge just now. Let me switch to trading view. This is the trading view. Okay. Yeah, it has broken, so for sure, NASDAQ is going to be going even higher and higher and higher. So I'm just going to stay on the MT5, stay where the PNL actually is. We only need about $60 more and we are done. It's $60 more push. NASDAQ is going to give us all the profit we need today. So with this now, I'm very confident that NASDAQ is going to go to the TP level, and we are so good. This is looking good. All right, so the first 15 minutes candle is already over. Another 15 minutes candle has started. If we can get more squeeze from this new candle, that is gonna complete the challenge for us. It's going crazy right now. Right now we're making it $180. This 350, so we need $50 more for us to pass the challenge. Just $50. Man, how cool is that? All right, let's wait for the next 15 minutes again and see what happens. Hopefully the seller don't, start overpowering the buyers, and then we can get a squeeze up onto the upside. All right, it's looking good. It's looking good, guys. It's looking good. We're almost $200 right now. We're almost $200, guys. We are almost $200. 190. $190. By the way, that's already like 4% of the account, So if we're making $200, that means we're making 4%, because 1% of the $5,000 account is $50. So for us to be making this much, it means that we're making good percentage on this trade. So all right, so what we need to do now is just keep waiting. Oh, we just hit 200. We only need a few more, about $30 more, and we're gonna pass this challenge, bro. Oh, we're about to pass. We're about to pass the phase one, guys. We are about to pass the phase one. Okay, let's leave it to keep doing its thing, and it's looking good. It's looking good. It is looking good. It is looking good. All right, so NASDAQ is actually, pushing, pretty much pushing a lot today. It's pushing a lot today. It's pushing a lot today. It's very close to our TP target, so it's all about waiting now, and I think we can actually hit the TP target shortly. Wow, nice. Now we're making 207, 210. In a few minutes now, we're gonna hit TP. We are almost close, guys. We're almost hitting take profit, guys. Like $20 more to go, and boom, we're done with the challenge. Oh, this is good, man. This is so cool. This is cool. I think we're gonna hit the TP now. We're gonna hit TP. Oh, we almost hit TP, guys. TP, 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 TP. Come on, man. We just need a little more squeeze. There's a little more squeeze, and it's gonna hit the TP. Oh man, this feels good. Okay. Anyway, you know that moment where you almost hit TP and then price just kept trading away from your take profit? Let's just keep waiting, actually. Let's give it some moments. Honestly, whenever price is about to hit your take profits and it keeps, dancing around your take profit, like, bro, we only need like 10 pips and the take profit is gonna hit, and we're gonna pass the phase one. So I don't know. Just go ahead and hit the take profit, guys. It's TP, it's TP, it's TP, guys. It's TP. It's TP 209. Okay. 209, 205, 200. Anyway, let's give it some minutes. Let's give it some minutes. We should be hitting the TP in this session because the move is actually in our favor. So NASDAQ is pushing a lot in our direction, and then if everything being equal, I think we're going to just, now let's just give it some time. We're almost done, right? 5,362. We need 40 more dollars. So if NASDAQ should really push a little bit more in our direction, then it's going to give us the profits that we need. So we're facing some resistance from that level, so that's why we are, that's why we're seeing the delay right now. Well, it almost hit the TP the other time, and like I feel so happy seeing that. All right, let's take a look at the trading view again. So on trading view, this is what's happening. We currently right now are facing a resistance from this level, so hopefully this pullback can gain more power, and then more buyers can step in and take the price to the upside. So there's a big chance that now NASDAQ is going to go for the previous day high and take profits before the previous day high. So in this case, we potentially are well positioned in an area. Let's see what S&P 500 is doing. On the other hand, S&P 500 is trading below the Asian range, and that doesn't look good actually. But usually, if one asset like NASDAQ is already trading higher, then S&P 500 is going to catch up as well. So let's give it some time. Let's be very patient. We're still within the first 15 minutes of the opening, so I think we still have a lot of time on our side. There's still going to be some, the second push. We just need a little bit more push, and we are going to be done. Like for example, now we need about 60 points, movement. So right now the price is 354, so we need about 50, about 50 more points movement, and then we're going to pass the challenge, So let's wait and see. Hopefully NASDAQ gives us the profits in this session. I'm just going to hold on right now. Just going to hold on. So let's switch back to the trading view so we can see to the MT5. Let's see the P&L in real time. Okay. All right, let's keep running. I'm gonna be here. I just want to quickly do something. So let's let it keep running. All right, guys. So I'm back here. There seems to be some rejection from that level, and we are still running, we still need just about 60 points to go. We need 60 pips from where NASDAQ currently is, and hopefully we can actually get another squeeze, just 60 points and we're done. Just 60 points, man. Like, NASDAQ, why are you doing this? Go our direction, man. Like, go up. Go up, man. Go up. Just go up, NASDAQ. Just go up. Why are you pulling back? Why are you pulling back? So let's check on the trading view. So this is what's happening. On trading view, NASDAQ has created a new high, right, on the 1 minute. So it has to pull back into this level, obviously, this level. So hopefully it's gonna hold in this level, and then it's gonna do the next push to the upside, right? So if NASDAQ should maintain and respect this level right here, then good for us. We're gonna see the next push from that place. But let's go and wait on the 15 minutes. Let's just keep waiting. So now this is the so there's a 3 minutes to this 15 minute now, the 3 minute for this opening. So I think this is the time we actually need to now go break even, because we almost hit take profits, and then NASDAQ went all the way to the top. It's facing some resistance again. So I think it's time that we should actually go break even. So if we do go break even, we only need to if we go break even now, it's good, because at least the price has done what we really needed to do, and it doesn't make sense for us now to be losing again if so instead of actually setting a whole break even, I'm going to just set I reduce the risk. Instead of $100 now, we're only risking about 52. So we're risking about half of what we're supposed to actually risk originally. But you know what? I'm actually going to just reduce it even more. Okay, for now, let me actually leave it there at the 50. Yeah, so let's leave it here at the 52 level. So that if for any reason, $45, okay, let's put it at $50. Yeah, that's good. So for any reason, if NASDAQ decided to, you can see we almost hit our take profit right here. Like, it's only remain about 2 pips or 3 pips, and then now it's pulling back, and that doesn't look good. So if we cannot regain back and take out this high and close, then at least we're not going to be risking so much more again on this trade. So what I've done now, I've reduced the risk of this particular trade, and because the market structure has changed into our direction, and it makes sense to actually set the break even this way. So now it's all about waiting. NASDAQ, come on, go back up, go back in our direction. Mr. NASDAQ, go back into our direction, and let's have some profits today. Let's see what will NASDAQ do in the next 2. So in 2 minutes time, we need to see what NASDAQ is going to do. In 2 minutes time, let me see S&P 500. S&P 500 is rejecting US 30. Let's check US 30 as well. US 30 refused to hold. Okay, let's go back to NASDAQ. I don't know. Well, everything is refusing to hold now. Okay. Yeah, anyway, we're back to NASDAQ. Okay, 1 more minute to the candle closure. Oh my days. This type of candle closure is not good, 100 points rejection from the upside, and from the downside as well, 200 points rejection from buyers. So I know that buyers are still in control of this market, but the sellers as well, they are really trying to push the price from the top. So something is definitely one side needs to quickly overpower the other. One side needs to overpower the other quickly. Something that we have in our favor right now is the previous day high. The previous day high is, just about 200 points away. Like, it's closer than we have the previously low, and based on the current activities, it seems like buyers are quite in control right now. So hopefully there's going to be a follow-up with the buyers, and then we can actually take the trade to the upside. But if not, then hopefully they will not take us out on break even. Oh my days, why are we getting pullback so deep? Alright guys, so I'm thinking that we should let the trade keep running, because honestly, I really wish that we hit take profits, but we couldn't hit take profits in the session. So potentially now I think we just need to leave the trade to keep running. You can see right now the trade is already running back into the entry, and hopefully it respects the level, and we'll be able to get something. Anyway, let's see how it goes, and I will keep you all updated. Actually, I might leave it to keep running for now, but I'm gonna step away a little bit just to allow the markets to do its thing. Let it do whatever it wants to do, and we are going to potentially, hopefully, we take profit. Hopefully. All right. I'm gonna just step away for now and come back again. All right, guys, so I'm going to end this stream right here. So what I'm going to do is that if we hit take profits, I'm going to potentially I'm going to make a second video. I'm going to make a a separate clip just to show it. I actually wish that it can be documented live on this but this stream is already running for almost an hour now. So I'm pretty sure that it's going to happen. We just need to hold on and all. So I might still give it a minute, about 15 more minutes. I'm still going to give 15 more minutes before I actually close the stream. And then afterward, then I would potentially end the stream there. So let's wait for another 15 minutes and see. Hopefully we get the market hitting our take profit by then. And with that, we are going to come back again. All right, let's go for another break and we'll see each other again shortly.